Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. So by the title you already know what I'm going to review. But before we go ahead and review the product, please tell me what you feel about my hair. Look at the shine. I have not done anything extra. This is just my normal blow dried hair. That's about it. Like you can see, it's not like straightened or something. It's just like it's normal blow dry. Can you see the shine? Can you see the smoothness? Just look at that. It's so much manageable. And the entire credit goes to the new range that I'm following. So it's the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair range, which comes with a shampoo, a mask, and a serum. So I'll tell you how I came across this. So I have used this entire range, the Absolute Repair range, I think almost a year and a half or two back. And then I shifted to the other range of the L'Oreal Professional, which was this one. This is completely empty now. You can see hardly anything is left. Now this was about to get over. So I consulted my hairstylist, and because I was having a lot of rough ends and split ends were coming, so I wanted to understand from the hairstylist as to should I shift from this one to another range. And that's when he suggested that I should shift to the Absolute Repair one, because he saw my hair and the issue that I was facing. So he said that it will be better that you shift to this one, because even I was coloring, so this is good for colored hair also. Okay, so when I shifted to this one, it really helped a lot. Like, depending on the hair type that you have, if you use the right mask, it just works wonders on your hair. My entire hair game has completely changed. I mean, like, look at that. The smoothness that it has, the hair fall has reduced. It is so smooth. Even to touch it is so smooth. It just brings out the natural shine in your hair, it just looks so pretty. And yeah, I mean, like, you can totally see how I'm loving it. Yeah, look at that. I'll just show you from back. So here I will insert a small clip of how my hair looked like before I started using the mask and the shampoo. And this is how my hair looks like after, so you will understand the difference very clearly. There is a lot of difference. So now let's see how my hair looked like before I used the shampoo and masked my hair. So this is how they look. They looked pretty unmanageable and quite damaged, and there was no shine at all. So now I will show you how to apply this mask, because a lot of people have a lot of confusion that how should we apply the mask, and how is it different from conditioner, because a lot of people use conditioner on daily basis and they want to know as to why is this different and how is this different. So mask basically is more potent, it's more effective, and it is more conditioning. So it is way better than the conditioner, and this will give you a lot more moisturization that it is required for your hair. So how you have to apply this is you have to wash your hair with this shampoo. So once you're done shampooing your hair, you have to towel dry your hair. It should not be dripping wet. Your hair should not be dripping wet, like कि यहाँ से पानी टपक रहा है. So we do not want that. We want the hair to be damp. It cannot be completely dry. Also, like this hair is completely dry, it shouldn't be like this. It should be damp towel dry hair. So now I will insert a clip here which will clearly show you how to use this mask. So what I've done here is I have already shampooed my hair using the shampoo and towel dried it, and now I will use the mask. So you can see the consistency here, it's pretty creamy and it's not liquidy that it will be all over the place. So take a little bit in your hand and you would have to rub it around your palms so that it's easy to apply. You have to make sure that you don't vigorously use it on your hair like you oil your hair. You have to softly, gently do it so that all the hair strands are covered. And you basically have to concentrate from the mid of the hair length till the tips of it. You do not massage it onto the scalp because it's not good for your scalp, so avoid the scalp completely. So After applying the mask, what you have to do is you have to keep it for a while and then wash it off with normal water. You do not use shampoo again, you just wash it off with normal water, and then once you have the damp hair again, towel dry it and make it damp, and then you can apply this serum on your hair in the end. And this will definitely protect your hair from a lot of damage. So basically the damage happens from the mid of your hair till the tips, and they become very rough and a lot of split ends come. So this mask and the serum basically would help you to protect your hair where it is most damaged. So for me, the mask and basically the whole L'Oreal Professional range has been a game changer for my hair. I mean, I love doing this with my hair. There's no tangle, it is more manageable, smoother, and looks shinier, looks healthier basically. Lot of the hair fall has reduced, and I don't know, you just name it and it's there for your hair. It has worked wonders for my hair. It just feels as if I am out from a professional spa with very, very minimal effort. So that's about it for my review. In case you want to buy the L'Oreal Professional range, you can buy it from Flipkart. The link will be in the description box below. And do let me know in the comments box below how you like the review. In case you love the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.